Today we're going to be taking the Green Tour in Cappadocia. The Green Tour is a very popular full-day tour that covers some of the best places to visit in the entire area. We're heading out right now for the Green Tour. Super stoked. Most people that will go to Cappadocia will spend 3 days there, and kind of the best itinerary for this is 1 day with the hot air balloon ride and exploring town, another day of the Red Tour, which will take you to places like Red Valley and some of the beautiful rock formations, but the often overlooked one is the Green Tour. But I couldn't recommend this enough because you get to see Underground City, Ihlara Valley, Salim Monastery, and Pigeon Valley. So this is a great way to see some of the lesser known places in Cappadocia, and it takes you to some places that you typically wouldn't expect to see when you think of this place.
Tour is amazing. Our guide is a sweetheart. Sometimes tour guides are not the greatest, but she's wonderful, which makes the experience a little less painful when you're on a tour of many, many people. We just went into the Onyx Factory and saw some beautiful jewelry. I can't afford it. But it's beautiful to look at, so if you're ballin', hit the Onyx Factory.
Maybe one day.
Find this in the United States.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh. This is the real deal.
So we're at Pigeon Valley right now. I tried to get some shots of them flying, but they're so fast so I can't really catch them. But there's a really cool spot right next to the Onyx Factory. We were greeted with some incredible history of the underground city and the area in general. You get to go down and descend into the caves and into the city itself, getting to explore, and our guide Sir Peel told us all about the different areas and the different rooms that we were seeing. And there's a handful of tight places that you go into that if you're claustrophobic, I don't know if I would recommend this, but it is a very cool experience. Although, if you are going to go into one of the cramped spaces, just be ready for a bottleneck because there is one way in and one way out, and people of all sorts of different languages are all battling to try to get out of these tight places. So it is kind of a mess, but it is a very cool experience exploring this underground city. So after exploring the underground city, we're going to head to Aksaray and explore Ihlara Valley, and this is going to be an amazing hike that you do, and it'll take you to lunch, which is included in your tour, which is really nice. And this is a beautiful hike through this valley. You also get to see some of these homes on the water, and it just really is an area filled with beautiful landscapes. So we are currently hiking Ihlara Valley. Hopefully I said that right. If not, I'm sorry. Beautiful canyon. I'm not really sure how far outside of Gourmet that we are, but it's pretty awesome so far. The green tour has been, I mean, all over. We've done a bunch of things, but it's been awesome. How's it feel to be mobbing internationally again?
Feels good, it's great.
We were just in England for a job, but this is a new country for Bri and I. This is our 26th country that we've been together, which is pretty insane. And Bri hasn't been out of North America since 2019, so it's really cool to be out here together.
We out here! Yeah, it's sweet. It's beautiful out here, and we're in a valley that we had no idea existed out here in Cappadocia, I guess.
Alright, we are at our last stop. We're at the Monastery, and we are beat.
Cut.
What? Bri just made fun of how I said monastery. I said monastery. I didn't say it quite like that. I exaggerated
I'll join y'all in the comments.
yeah, roast me in the comments. We're at the Monastery, and it's our last stop. This tour has been like a few hours longer than they said it was, so we're pretty tired, but it's beautiful. We're just enjoying the view here.
Wonderful day. The green tour is definitely something you should do. Just beware that it's like 10 a.m. to 7 kind of, I think. It's a little longer than we expected, as Kevin said, but it's been a beautiful day, wonderful people, and insane formations such as this, so.
Sometimes actually it works and sometimes not.
She's so skinny. Look, there's some more.
We're tired. It's like 7:30, but that was an awesome day. Sir Peel, if you get the chance to have her, she's an incredible guide.
She's literally the sweetest lady I've ever met. She's so nice.
Make sure you tip her. She deserves every bit. But yeah, see you later.
Bye.